Okay, here we go. Okay. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Transformation Tea. Hey! You know, I asked you guys on Instagram what video you would like to see. Do you want to see how to snatch that waist? Snatch it, get it right, get it tight, or do you want to see toned legs? Like, what do you want to see? And all I have to say is ask and you shall receive, okay? So I do think it's worth mentioning that yes, genetics plays a key role in how your waist is shaped. Whether you're shaped like this, or whether you're shaped like this, or whether you're shaped like this, or this, or this, or whatever, own what you got. Rock it, own it. Don't let anyone tell you that, you know, you're not this enough, you're not that enough. Rock what you got. But aside from that, you know, genetic stuff, nutrition is arguably more important than exercise alone when it comes to shedding fat off your waist. Notice I said arguably, it's just my 2 cents. Don't come for me, okay? You can exercise all you want, but if you are not eating properly, your waist will like progress this much. When you are trying to snatch that waist, you wanna avoid sugary drinks like sodas. Sodas are all sugar. Putting more green food in your body, so intaking all those vegetables is crucial. Putting more fruits in your body, preferably in the morning time, because it is a sugar, so you're gonna wanna burn it throughout the day. And you really wanna limit processed food, like chips, candy. Limit it, cut it back, because all it's gonna do is store around your midsection and keep you away from your goal of getting that snatched waist. Same with food that is white, so white rice, white bread, no nutritional value in that. You wanna feed our body good fuel so that we can not only feel good, but we can look good, you know what I'm saying? Then of course, exercising, getting your sweat on, going to the gym, or maybe if you don't have a gym, doing home workouts, going for a run outside. There's no excuses here. None. Like zero, okay? Zero. Yes, there are plenty of exercises you can do that target your oblique areas that are here on the side, your waist muscles, if you will.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my mind life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know no patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
So if you have a layer of fat on top, you're not really gonna see your results. This is where 1, eating healthily comes into part, and then 2, exercising, getting your sweat on. So while all these exercises are great, you also need to shed the fat. Those tone, running, jumping jacks, burpees, all that sheds fat. I recommend, and I do, HIIT training, HIIT workouts. High intensity interval training, but that can be explained in a different video. In general, you just want to lose the fat around your waist. That will help you see that waistline, honey. But thank you guys for watching this video. I am so glad that you made it to the end. It fills my heart. Yes. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, because I will be asking you more of what you would like to see. And be sure to subscribe, so that way you can see the videos. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bleh.